New day, new adventures. Here we are. So today we will be attempting to climb Segla as well as Hesten, and we will be starting out with Hesten because it's more of a family-friendly route. At least that's what we read. And then we will leave the kids and parents at the car afterwards, and we will try to climb Segla. So let's see how we do. So far the day is amazing. Weather is perfect, maybe slightly hot, hotter than expected for sure. But very sunny, some clouds, so the mountains look very beautiful. So yeah, let's go!
Hesten, which is apparently the second prettiest peak you can climb here. And the prettier one is the Segla, I think it's called Segla. So the reason why we're climbing the Hesten is because Segla is apparently very pretty. If you climb it, you can't see it. So, whoa, we are climbing the Hesten today. So the walk should take up, the hike, I guess you can call it a hike, should take about an hour and a half up and down. Well, up and then an hour and a half down, so altogether 3 hours. We've got kids and family and stuff like that, so we'll see how long it actually takes. But, whoa, the place is stunning. The very first bit was very, very steep, but now there's like a really nice wooden walkway. So you could almost call this a walk, not a hike, but I can see it's gonna very quickly get much, much steeper.
I found some blueberries and I'm going to eat them. It's really good.
Just like most of the trails, like around the world generally, at least in Europe, they are marked by some sort of color, so you would know that you're still on the right path. This one's pretty easy to see the path regardless, but this one has the blue dots. Every now and then you can see a blue dot on a rock, so you can keep yourself in check if you're going the right way. What a view, look at that.
It's getting windy and quite steep. Top of Hesten, which actually isn't that high of a mountain, but it looks very, very big. Like all the mountains around here look big, but they are so close to the ocean that they are only like 550 to 600 meters above the sea level, which isn't a lot, but it's still a climb. The tracks here have actually been pretty awesome. I wouldn't call this one easy, the Hesten one, but I would call it like medium average. Like we had our parents and a 5-year-old with us. It was almost possible. They didn't climb it all the way to the top. We did, but I think still with a 5-year-old on our shoulders we would manage. Yeah, so pretty cool. And now there is basically a 360 view all around, and it looks awesome. Like there's water all around, there are some lakes, the ocean, the mountains. It's just great.
This is my first official mountain peak that I've climbed to the top. In Slovenia we didn't make it to SUBSCRIIIBE. Yeah, that's a big one to climb. But I'm super happy that I've ticked off my first real official mountain top before age 30. Oh my god. Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of footage you'll see just in the background because it's every possible angle you look is amazing. And there's an ocean view that you can see a lake in the mountains that's above like sea level, above the ocean level, which just breaks my mind how it works and how it's possible, but it looks so cool. So thanks for joining. Definitely come here. Yes, yeah. It's easier than you think. It looks scary places, but it's actually, the tracks are really good. And as we speak, we can actually see people climbing the other peak on the other end, which we don't know how it is called, but somewhere up there are people climbing the other peak. So thanks for joining us today. Stay cool, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye-bye. Just kidding, we took a different road down the mountain, so we might as well show you a little bit more.
Don't try this at home. Don't try this at home. I disapprove.
Like, it looks smaller when you look at it from above or from further away, but it's actually pretty wide, so it's a good spot for photos. So if you're coming down from the top of Hesten,